We're at San Remo, picking out a cake for Marie. It's perfect. We need to get you a cake. And we have some gifts for you. Yes, it is red velvet. At Free My Time Cleaning, one thing that is so important to our company culture is that our employees know how loved and valued they are. So we love to spoil them with some gifts once they are official members of the team. We feel it's important to say that we are more than just a cleaning business. We're a people business. We are making a difference in the lives of our clients by freeing their time, and we're making a difference in the lives of our employees by giving them a place to work where they feel respected, valued, and loved. This job is so much more than a paycheck, and we're looking for the type of people who feel and see purpose in the work that we're doing. This is a part-time job. It's work that will keep you active and busy, and at the same time, you're helping the community. If you or someone you know is looking for a job, we would love to meet them or meet you and see if we're a match. Marie has set the bar really high, but we know she's not the only amazing person out there who would love this type of work. You don't need cleaning experience, you just need integrity, great work ethic, and a positive attitude. If that's you, then apply. We can't wait to meet you.